No one can tell when you're going to get stuck in a natural disaster or any unfavorable situation, but everyone can tell that staying prepared is always beneficial or simply life-saving. And to help you pick the ones you might need, we brought 9 amazing survival gear and gadgets one must have. Enjoy! The Seth Lance is a versatile knife designed to be used for survival and self-defense purposes. Seth Lance is made in collaboration with Daniel Del Canto and Master Advanced Instructor. This fixed blade knife works as smooth as a butter knife and is developed to dominate a wide range of challenges. The chunky thick blade is made up of N690 cobalt steel with a stone-washed finish. The advantage of this blade is, this material does not rust easily even when you don't use it for a long time, and as a result, the edges remain sharp and deadly as soon as you bring the Seth Lance out of the sheath. Talking about the sheath, it's made of Kydex material and equipped with a mini pouch maul system for ease and convenience. Eton is not a new name, and FRX3 Plus has been keeping their customers safe and sound from the worst for a long time. You surely don't want to face a disaster unprepared, and that's why having this hand-crank rechargeable weather alert radio is a lifesaver. This can generate energy from hand cranking to recharge all the essentials like phones. At the same time, it can also be powered by solar energy. As a result, users won't have to worry about getting lost during any adverse situation. It can receive and transmit AM/FM signals through digital tuning from all 7 NOAA environmental weather bands. Oh, it also acts as an LED flashlight to guide through darkness. Nitecore TM12K is the newly released high-performing flashlight from Nitecore for any survival situation. It's a lightweight, compact, and powerful flashlight that can produce a peak 12,000 lumens without sacrificing its runtime. So this can light up any large pitch dark area by producing an output that's 20% brighter and higher than its predecessor, the TM10K. And the TM12K shows its versatility as it can easily fit inside any pocket and has a military-grade hard finish that's strong enough to break into places. This new generation 4800 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion battery with intelligent Li-ion charging circuit and charges through a USB-C port. Lastly, its IP68 rating proves how reliable the TM12K is when the weather gets extreme. During survival, things could get worse anytime, and that's why you need the Go Time Gear emergency tent to save the day for you. Making through the night in an open field is already dangerous, and it gets even harder when weather starts playing around. But with this high-performance emergency tent, it makes sure no matter how extreme the weather is outside, the tent will keep you dry, warm, and alive in any survival situation. Go Time's extra thick, puncture-resistant polyethylene material reflects 90% of the body heat. This is an important feature as it keeps the body temperature warm in extreme chilly conditions while locking out rain, wind, and snow. Moreover, this tent can accommodate 2 people at the same time so that in tough situations, you can stick together with your companion to tackle any possible outbreak. Now during hot times, it's important to stay together. And this hyper whistle will make sure your voice is heard even in the most bizarre occasions. After all, it's the world's loudest whistle. With Hyper Whistle's new tri-frequency design, it's rated as the world's #1 rescue whistle. It's very thoughtfully engineered to combine specific frequencies for each of the 3 chambers and give an output of beyond 3 times compared to standard whistles. Now, to carry all these essentials, you of course need a strong, reliable backpack like Fogland Backpack. This backpack can be among the first picks for a foolproof bug-out plan. After all, the Fogland Backpack has been relentlessly tested to be fully optimized and stand out in such submersible situations. And completely waterproof, since it meets the IP68 rating and is made of indestructible Hydra Wall TPU to protect essential and sensitive gears in all weather conditions. As a result, seamlessly go from land, get into water, its 100% waterproofing will never let you down. With these heavyweight features, the Fogland paid enough attention on the convenience to have carabiner attachment points. Apart from the main compartment, the backpack also comes with a front pocket for additional storage with a max payload capacity of 25 liters. Yet with all that weight, it still floats and stays completely dry. If you're looking for a complete fire escape kit, GoTime Gear Fire Escape Kit is the one. Fire isn't something to play games with, and it would be foolish if you think it's really easy to escape fire just like that. This escape kit includes everything you need for unexpected fire emergencies, since inside the kit, you'll find a high-performance fire mask, heat-resistant gloves, reflective blanket, and a bright glow stick for sending signals. This is important because more than 80% of people die from the fire smoke and the toxic gases released. And that's why GoTime Gear made this ultimate kit to protect users from top to bottom in such fire emergencies. No one can underestimate the importance of a medkit, especially the MyFac Large by MyMedic. Why? Well, it's more than just a big box to carry things, as this kit can carry every medical supply from minor injuries to equipment to treat life-threatening emergencies. This large version is twice the size of MyFac and can hold over 200 items, but of course, very easy and convenient to carry along. The Exotac NanoSpark is an ultra-compact fire starter that's very handy and useful to fit inside any pocket. This is built of CNC Machine 6061 aluminum that's very light and also robust to take countless hits, yet fires up without any hinge or trouble. And for quick fire, it's designed with high surface area tinders such as Quick Light. In fact, its one-handed operation is incredible to quickly light up fire if the other hand is in any state of injury. At the top, you'll see an O-ring that guards the tinder to be fresh, dry, and ready to use. These tinder tabs are nicely placed inside the waterproof body so that it catches fire on the first spark. So, that was a list of 9 amazing survival gear and gadgets one must have. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section down below, and please share this video if you find it to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website at gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.